All right, friends, it is, what is it, day 17. Let us look and see what is in the Advent basket. And I am doing this myself today, so it's one-handed me. Let us take a look and see what have we got. And there is day 17. Whoop whoop. All right, let me pause. Alrighty, day 17. I did have to kind of open it down here, and this is not going to work very well one-handed. Let's see, can I do it? Can I do it? I don't think so. Here's where the teeth come in. Using the teeth. So we've got UV resin tape, which I love because I'm running low. And then I hear little clinking, clinking sounds. And so we've got UV resin tape. And we've got little hearts. Little heart. I'm losing them. Little heart pendants in gold, I think, or are they silver? We'll have to get in better light to check that out. They're so precious. I love them. Awesome. Thank you. Hey guys, they are gold. Look at them. They're so precious.